What is going on? What are you paying? Acomptes are not an additional tax. You have to report the amount of acompte that you actually paid. Your acompte can increase or decrease. How is this calculated? I am going to answer all of your questions right now. Hello guys, and welcome to the French Tax Online channel. Today, we're going to talk about the acompte d'impôt sur le revenu, which is all the payments you are making before actually paying the final amount to be paid on your French income tax. What is going on? What are you paying? How is this calculated? I am going to answer all of your questions right now. Let's go, guys. An acompte means advance payment in French. It's actually all the prepayments before you pay the final balance of your income tax. You can find your tax installment on your avis d'imposition, which is your tax bill on paper, or you can find it on your impots.gouv account, which is the tax website account. Les acomptes are calculated based on your latest tax return. It's actually 1/12 of the previous amount you paid, which is very logical when we think about it. Yes, of course, you can definitely stop or reduce your acompte, but there might be consequences. You have to report the amount of acompte that you actually paid between January and December for each year you declare. France does not really charge you taxes. It's more you paying advance payment before you receive your tax bill. It's exactly as the pay-as-you-earn in the UK or any similar situation in other countries. This is not a final amount of taxes. It's just you paying something in advance so that you don't have a huge amount to be paid by the end of the year. Very different. Pretty much everyone who is not paying taxes through payroll or directly with the bank are concerned by the acompte. People on payroll do not pay more acompte because they already pay the pay-as-you-earn through their payslips. Apart from them, pretty much everyone receiving external sources of income do pay this acompte. A self-employed person, rental income, dividend, you might pay them as well. Any type of income outside a payroll. As I said earlier in the video, acomptes are not an additional tax. It's just an advance payment for your own French income tax. And if you ever overpaid it, no worries, you would be refunded the difference. That's 100% sure. The French tax office is using the latest amount they have on their database to calculate your acompte. So it's either 2 years before or the year before, depending on the information they have. Your acompte amount is based on whatever you received the year before or 2 years before, which means that the French tax office has no clue whether you stopped this activity or this source of income or not. The only way to stop the account is you to tell the tax office to stop taking the money because you no longer receive this type of income. Your acompte can increase or decrease as soon as the tax office has an updated information, which is usually in May, June, once you have declared your income tax, right? Once you have submitted your tax return, then the tax office knows more about your current situation, and then it's going to increase or decrease or keep the same acompte as before, depending on what you have just declared. Les acomptes are taken monthly by direct debit on your personal bank account. If you don't have enough cash in the bank account, then the acompte payment is going to be refused by the bank and the tax office is going to chase you for the payment And of course, they're going to charge you penalties, usually 10%. So as soon as you have account to be paid, make sure you have money on this bank account. If you reduce the account too much and then you have to pay more than what you have reduced, then the tax office is going to ask you for a 10% fine on the difference plus late payment interest. You can do that, but make sure that you have paid enough account to pay whatever you owe to the French tax office before you stop them. Usually not, because the tax office knows how much they have taken out of your bank account, but you can make sure that it matches the amount you really paid. Everyone pays acompte as soon as you have a French income tax to be paid. So it doesn't matter whether you are a tax resident or not. So yes, even though you are a non-resident, if you have French income tax to be paid on your French source of income, usually rental income, yes, you have to pay an account for income tax and social charges to be paid on this income. Again, this is not about you being a tax resident or not. It's about you owing money to the tax office or not. So if you still owe money to the tax office, then you have to keep paying the account. If you stop owing anything to the tax office, then yes, you might think about stopping them. If the French rental income is your main source of income, then you still probably need to pay income tax and social charges, so you still have to pay acompte as soon as you owe money to the tax office. Of course, as I said, once you declare your French income tax in May, then once the tax office has processed your information, if they owe you money, they will refund you everything they owe you automatically in July, August. Selling your property does not mean that you have to stop paying accounts, because as I said again and again, the accounts only mean that you have a source of income which makes you taxable to the French income tax. The only question is, do you still owe French income tax or not? Income tax and social charges, by the way. If you still owe something, then you have to keep paying the account. If you don't have to pay anything, then you can ask the tax office to stop taking this money. Thank you guys for watching this wonderful video about the acompte d'impôt sur le revenu. I know it's not an easy topic for everyone because it's not very logical to pay these taxes which do not relate to something you're 100% sure about. I hope this helped you quite a lot. I know my team is going to send this link to you guys. If you have any question or if you're not sure about your accounts, about how to create them, about to stock them, just ask us and we'll be very happy to help you and answer all of your questions. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us for more videos. Thank you guys. Cheers.